Hi everyone, welcome to Storage Guru. My name is Mayur and today I will walk you through how to download, install and configure the IBM Storage Virtualize Management Pack in VCF Operations. By the end of this video, you will be ready to monitor your IBM storage system using VCF Operations. So let's get started. Let's start by downloading the management pack. We will download it from IBM Fix Central. Open your web browser and navigate to IBM Fix Central. In the product selector, search for IBM FlashSystem 9500. Select release 9.1 and click continue. On the select fix page, locate the IBM Storage Virtualize Management Pack for VCF Operations, select it and click continue. On the download page, review and accept the license agreement. Then click the management pack file to download it on your local machine. Once the download is completed, we are ready to install the management pack in VCF Operations. Now, let's open VCF Operations and sign in using your admin credentials. From the left navigation menu, go to Administration, select Integrations and open Repository. Click on Add button. Browse to the downloaded management pack.pak file. Select the file and click on Upload. VCF Operations automatically validate the package. Once the validation is completed, review the package details. Click on Next. Then read and accept the license agreement. Then click on Install. Within a few moments, the IBM Storage Virtualize Management Pack will be installed successfully and will be ready for configuration. Next, let's configure the adapter instance. Navigate to Administration, select Integrations, click on Add Account and select IBM Storage Virtualize. Enter the name for adapter instance. Then provide storage system details like hostname or the management IP address. Then enter your admin credentials which is set for your storage system. Keep auto discovery enabled and enable discovery of vSphere objects linked with your IBM Storage Virtualize resource. This feature automatically discovers virtual machines, data store and related vSphere objects, which will provide you complete end-to-end visibility across your storage and virtualization environment. Finally, click on Validate Connection. A successful confirmation confirms that your storage system is ready to communicate with VCF Operations. Finally, click on Save button to persist our adapter instance configuration. VCF Operation immediately starts discovering your storage environment and collecting inventory, capacity, health and performance data within a few minutes. Navigate to Topology View to verify the discovery source. Here, you will see the IBM Storage Virtualize system along with the connected host, volumes, volume snapshot, and the related VMware objects, displayed in a single end-to-end topology view. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the IBM Storage Virtualize Management Pack for VCF Operations. In our next video, we will explore the discovered resources, built-in dashboards, performance metrics, and alerts. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Storage Guru. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.